The percentage of oxygen in Al2SO43 is 56.1%. Metal which cannot be easily cut by knife, aluminium. Not a chemical coagulant in water treatment, aluminum chloride. Chemical formula of aluminum nitride is AIN. Chemical formula of aluminum chloride is AlCl3. In photography, sodium thiosulfate Na2SO2O3 solution is used because to remove undecomposed AgBr as complex silver thiosulfate. Substance used for artificial rain is silver iodide. Silver chloride turn grey light in sunlight. The correct explanation for given statement is decomposition of silver chloride into silver and chlorine by light. Silver chloride turns into silver and chlorine gas in presence of ultraviolet radiation. This is example of photolytic decomposition reaction. It happens when aqueous silver nitrate is added to sodium chloride solution. White precipitate of silver chloride is produced. With the substance silver react and turn black, sulfur. The metal does not react with oxygen even at high temperature, silver. The compound formed Ag plus and Cl minus when combined, silver chloride. Two chemicals used in black and white photography are AgCl and AgBr. Found as in nature as free element, Ag. When silver chloride is kept in sunlight, so it becomes brown due to formation of silver metal. Best conductor of electricity is silver. When silver bromide is kept in sunlight, bromine gas is formed. If weather is very humid, you must remove the emitted gas through a dry tube with the help of CaCl2. When calcium oxide reacts with water, it forms caustic lime. Never found as a free element in nature, calcium reacts violently with water to form slaked lime, CaO. Chemical formula of gypsum, CaSO4 2H2O. Tetragonal crystal system, calcium sulfate. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Not a form of calcium carbonate, lime water. To utilize too acidic soil, quick and slaked lime is used. Norwegian saltpeter is isomer of which of the chemicals? Calcium nitrate. Limestone is sedimentary, mainly composed of calcium carbonate. Known as vitriol of clay, aluminum sulfate. The metal does not react with cold water but on heating reacts with water vapor, aluminum. Made from copper and aluminum, electric wire. The metal of future is aluminum. The oxide corresponds to oxide of eka aluminum, Ga2O3. Process of forming a thick layer of aluminum oxide and surface of aluminum to protect from corrosion, anodizing. Not alkaline solution, aluminum hydroxide. Metal does not react with cold or hot water, aluminum. Most abundant metal in earth crust, aluminum. Cannot be extracted by carbon reduction process, aluminum.